Hi. Hi, little man. You want to talk or something? Whoa. Looks a lot like Daddy every day. And Daddy wants me to tape him up close. Say hi. Hiccups again. Playing with a rattle. She's almost 4 months old. It's actually Grandma Howard's birthday today. So we're gonna call her. Yeah. Play nice, man. There's our pups. Say hi, Burton. He says whatever. Maybe we'll get the baby babbling some more later. Say bye-bye for now.